Hi friends, today let us see how to prepare egg gravy. Things required for this: 4 medium-sized onion, 2 tomatoes, curry leaves, 4 garlic cloves, 2 green chillies, 5 tablespoon oil, 5 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 3/4 tablespoon coriander powder, 3/4 tablespoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt, 1 cup of water. Boil the egg in a small vessel with water and salt. Chop the onions and tomatoes finely. Slit the green chilli into 2 and mince the garlic. Let us take a pan and heat it up for few seconds. Now we shall pour oil to the pan. Then we add mustard seeds. After it fries little, add green chilli and curry leaves. After the sizzling sound subsides, let us add minced garlic and fry for a while. Now we add chopped onions, salt and stir well. Then we shall add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and fry well until the onion becomes golden brown color. Now we add tomatoes and fry for a while. Then we add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 tablespoon of chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon of coriander powder and fry well. Now we add 1 cup of water to it and mix well. Let it cook for a while. After the gravy gets thickened up, we take the boiled eggs and slice them in this manner and add them to the gravy. Now let us stir and cook for a while. We shall add coriander leaves and mix well. The tasty egg gravy is ready to be served. This can be served with rice or chapati. Try this recipe and let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep smiling.